Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another recipe. This recipe is going to be roast beef, beef stew, whatever you want to call it. If you're interested, then please keep watching. So for this recipe, you're going to need some kind of roast. I always get this kind. 1 onion, however many potatoes you want, and I always add a can of beef broth and then beef stew seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, onion powder, pepper, crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, and seasoning salt. I do cook this recipe in a crock pot, so I just set it to low. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is chop up the onions and the potatoes. And one more thing that I also forgot you're going to need for this recipe is carrots. Sorry. Now I'm just going to put everything into the crock pot. put it in at 8 o'clock and I'm going to shred it and let it cook until about 5 o'clock. Get a zoom in of it. Okay, so after I shred this last piece and throw this chunk of fat away and mix everything back in, it is pretty much done and ready. All you have to do is just mix it in and it's done. I just always let it cook for a little bit as it shreds up. But once I stir it in, I will show you what the finished product looks like. And all I made on the side was some pasta salad and cornbread. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.